discuss the planning concepts within the materials management engine. The planning allows you to essentially describe to the system how you maintain stock and how you reorder items for particular items in the system. In this case, we'll use our sample company and we'll look at how we plan to keep stock of these gummy bears, which is a decent example, let's say. The planning tab is where I'll do that. So we're looking at these gummy bears, and there are a variety of planning types that the system can support. One is forecast-based planning, which is consumption-based. Essentially, in sales orders, I can create forecast, meaning that I could say, next year we're anticipating a 10% increase in sales, or for a particular season, it's Christmas season's coming up, we usually do better, so we're anticipating an increase in sales. You could also anticipate a decrease in sales. So based on that projected sales or release of these items, whether it's even in the manufacturing process, it works the same way. You could have a different reorder point or safety stock for that item. Net change planning is more based in the past as opposed to in the future. So net change would be, over a given time span in the past, what was our average reduction of these items? So I could say that in the last year, we typically sold 5 a week of these. So based on net change planning, I can project when I'm going to need to order more items. And then likewise, reorder point planning is probably the simplest. It's simply meaning that, when I get to 50 in stock, I need to reorder some of these. So just for the sake of this argument, I'm going to put a few numbers in here just to associate those and save those. So those are the various types of planning that we can set up in the system. I can do that for each item, each inventory, if I've got multiple inventories. So within each inventory, I could say that I want to stock in this inventory based on these planning types, and in this other inventory, a different planning type. So this is how you work with the planning component. In another video, we'll discuss how that information gets used in reporting and the Explorer, the Planning Explorer, which helps you make sure that you keep the right amount of safety stock in and that you're ordering the items either based on consumption or forecasts.